Hey guys, Chuck's here. I'm repairing my caravan actually, my caravan wiring. So you only need these two wires if you're putting blinkers on. You can get rid of the brown wire. The white wire's your earth, the other one's your active. And so when you get these, you will need to put elastic on the back of them because they get water inside them. So they blow up. So, and I've put a bit of a bead above the top of that one. I'll come over here and, well, not these batteries, I'm not doing batteries today, I'm doing lights. So I've soldered these together because you've got to be careful on these if you're just doing a commercial caravan, because all they use is some little screw locking plastic things inside there, and then they put a bit of elastic and there's a hole there. So don't try and pull too hard on them. So I've cut that wire, I don't need it, for the indicator. And underneath you need all three wires. So I've wired up this one. So the white wire is your earth, the red is, I'm not 100% sure, but on the back of the packet it should tell you, I think it's your power. And the brown, I think, runs across to the other brake light. Oh, hold on. No, it doesn't run across the other brake light. One's your light, which will be your red, and one is your brake light, which will be your brown. So that's what it is. So yeah, now I've got to glue the back of these, and I'll show you how they are. If you look at them, they are, I've got a bit of solder there, I'll clean that off in a minute. You can see that you can get water inside there. I had one of these hanging up a minute ago and the water was just dripping out of it. I think it was this one here. Not too sure if you can see that. My light's kind of going on my camera, but it was dripping water, and if I leave it up that way I probably will drip water after a while. But you can see the water ingress under all the dirt and that. And they put a bit of plastic there, so you need to put a plastic in there. That's about it. Okay, before the covers go on, this is the finishing look, what you should have. And I'm still working on the other two on the other side, and I should have them done pretty soon. Before you put the covers on, make sure you check your lights from your car, and that should be a wrap for that sort of thing. Now that shouldn't get any water ingress into it from now on, so yeah. And please keep watching, there's always something coming along on my channel. There's always work and maintenance and repairs. Make sure you put a bit of elastic around these holes too, because you'll get some water inside your van. You don't want to do that if it's an expensive van. If it's a cheap van, you still don't want to do that because you want to live in it. Okay, catch you next time.